Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to make a hanging basket and I'll give you some how I make a hanging basket. So this is a basket, it's a small one. If you are not sure yet, because this with water is going to be heavier, so better you start with a small one instead of bigger one, and make sure your chain is strong enough to hold the weight. This is my hanging basket, so putting a coconut net. So this I had before, so not a new one. So we'll use this soil. So I'm using a Miracle Grow compost. You can use any compost, that's okay, and just fill that with compost, and then you have to choose the plant. So I'll be sharing the 3 different type of plants I'm going to put here, but first let me fill that with the compost. Filled up the compost in the bucket, and I left little bit left. I have not put full because there will be a little bit of soil around this plant that will be potting soon, and once it's done then probably I'll fill up as much depending on the space. So I'll be putting 3 different type of flowers. First with the runner one, because it's a petunia. I have chosen 2 different color, one is purple, one is pink. These petunias are going to be work as a runner. That means they will be planting here and run through sides. I'll be putting around the sides, probably around 4 in 4 different corner. And then the upright one, I was choosing the one is begonia. This is the one, you can see the begonia. There will be a little red color, so I'll put probably 4 of them in this side as well, depending on I'll choose depending on the space. And the lastly, the feeler. This one I have picked it up. I just try to combine the color with pansy. They will work as a feeler, so they will already have flowers. They are going to bring the beauty sooner. The begonia will take some time to get flowers come up, and the petunia has already started flowering, so it will be more growing when I'll be planting them in the pot. This soil have some fertilizer already in it, so I don't need to put any fertilizer separately, and I just need to prod them and start watering them, and they'll be ready, and then I'll be hanging off in my front of the house. So I'll now start planting. Planted my plants, 2 purple petunia, 2 pink petunia in this side, and red begonia around this corner in the 4. And I'll be planting this like pansy in the middle. So let's start. I'll just dig a bit. They will start rooting so quickly. Just put like this, and then I'll fill a little bit of compost as and when needed. So probably start filling as much as needed. So put them properly around this, and then I'll be planting this at middle. And let's do that, and then I'll share the outcome. To put some extra soil after planting all this. So now it's mostly ready. Now I'm going to put my pansy. I have another one to get it ready. There is a few one pansy and few more plants I have. I'll make some more baskets ready. So this one, a pansy, it's a big one. I just brought it in the middle, and I'll just put some push with hand, and that's my basket ready. Yeah, hope you like the video. If you do, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do share some videos about gardening, tip and tricks, and thank you all for your support on your like, comment, and subscribing my channel. It really encourages me for getting more content and share with you. Keep supporting, stay with the channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done yet, and give a like as well as and put your comments if you have some questions or suggestion. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.